Hello, today I'm going to be making a 20 by 20 by 12 tall riser box. I'm doing here at the shop. I'm just going to show you how I do that. I'm going to start by making two pieces that are 20 by 12 and also two other pieces that are 22 by 12. 20 by 12, 20 by 12. Now I got sides that do have lips, which is 22 by 12, 22 by 12. Then I also have my lid for the bottom and my lid for the top. Alrighty, so we got our sides with lips, we got our sides with no lips, we got our two lids here. So what I like to do on any lip, I like to cut a little corner out. That way it's easier to apply S-lock and everything later. And on my lids, I do the same thing. I cut this whole section out here. Cut this whole section out here. That way when I bend everything together, it slides in S-lock. So I got the corners cut out of there and out of my lids and everything there. So I'm gonna start cross breaking these to prevent popping noises. And then once they're all cross braked, then I will go ahead and start folding lips in and attaching S-lock. And as you see, I got all of my side pieces cross braked. Can't really see that one as much. There we go. Now I'm ready to fold these lips over and start getting some stuff attached. I got these two pieces folded on the edges. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut some S-lock that will match these edges. That way I can slide that piece down there and that piece into a box. And then I'm gonna fold these edges and make lids on each side. Alrighty, got this piece with S-lock on it and that piece with S-lock on it. And now I can merge this and that piece into a square. Alright, so this is what we got so far. Got all those together. Now I'm gonna cut S-lock to go along these edges, and then I'm gonna fold in one of these lids to slide into that S-lock. I got S-lock on all these sides. So now I can take this piece, fold up all these lips, and slide the lips into this S-lock. Alrighty, got these lips bent up. Now I'm gonna slide it into that bad boy. This can sometimes be a pain in the butt. Sometimes I'll flip these the other direction if that makes it easier, but we'll see. It's having a pain in the butt with it. So I went ahead and opened these up wider so that I can easier slide those lips in. We'll see how that goes. Got that in, and I got them screwed in nice and tight. Nice. S-lock on this side as well. And I'm gonna fold that one up and do the same thing. All right, so yeah, everything is put together. I got a little mark out hole for where the filter box is gonna sit on top of here. And then more than likely this side, I'm gonna cut out a big hole to connect to the return trunk that's right next to it at the install. So filter box, air handler, returns right here. It'll suck in and up. So alrighty, so yeah, I got that cut out. So the filter box will just sit on top, start from underneath here, and then one of these sides I'm gonna cut out a nice open square, kind of like this, and then from the inside I'm gonna screw into the return chase that's right next to it. Screw that in, put the filter box, then the air handler, and yeah, that's pretty much how I make them. So yep, you can see every side is cross braked. This thing is nice and firm, and definitely hold a system's weight on there. Alright, so I went ahead and sealed the edges with sheet metal tape. That way there's no sort of air losses. I know it's a return box, but that way we don't get any whistles or anything from the corners. But yeah, got that squeegee down, and this thing is ready to go. Like I said, once when we actually install it, we're gonna cut out from here for the return to come in like this. Filter box here, air handler here. So, yep, pre-made for the job.